Excuse me, miss. I came here to get a pet. Okay. There's plenty of them over there. Thank you so much. Hi there. Excuse me? What are you doing here? I came here to get a pet, of course. Why not? Are there any pets around here? Right in front of your face. Right over there. Thanks. Look at that dog over there. Is that a husky? Yeah. He's so adorable. Can I get him? Yes. He cost about $10. I want one that's free. Free. I'm on it. Which one's free? And what else my color? That's the husky. What? I'm talking about the hair. The cow is free. The cow is free. I'm getting the dog. Do you have $10? Yes, I do. Here you go. Thank you. I just looked in my pocket and I noticed I had $10. I'm gonna get this. Give it a gate. I can open the gate myself. You sound so weird. Stop slapping that pig. She sounded so weird. Don't even mess with her, okay? Fine.